Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Today we meet and we continue together our series of lessons about sentence errors or what we call faulty sentences. And after seeing the first type of errors as students we must avoid, today we will see the second error, which is called comma splice. Comma splice. Here splice means when you join two things together. In fact, when we speak about comma splice, we here speak about the case when we have two independent clauses joined together as one sentence by a comma. And you know that in English, we can never join two or more independent clauses by a comma alone. Clear? Now, this case, when we have a comma between and joining independent clauses is called comma splice. For example, we have this example. I don't like the bus. It always comes late. So here I have two independent clauses joined by a comma. So this form is wrong. It's a sentence error. It's a faulty sentence we must avoid. Clear? Why? Because as we learned, if you remember in the lesson of compound sentences, we have different types of connectors to join such types of independent clauses, but no one of them is the comma. Clear? Good. Second example for this mistake also, school is almost over, comma, everyone is happy. Here also I have two independent clauses which are joined as one sentence, compound sentence, by a comma alone, and this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong and a mistake. We said there are many other connectors and elements and options we can use to join independent clauses instead of the comma here. Clear? So, in order to correct this comma splice, right, we have 5 ways of correction. So, either, number 1, you separate the two clauses, making them two independent simple sentences. Example, and I write, I don't like the bus, full stop, then capitalize it always comes late. So here we have two correct and separate simple sentences. Clear? And we have got rid of this sentence error of comma splice. Second way of correction is when you join the two independent clauses by a semicolon. For example, here we write, I don't like the bus, semicolon, it always comes late. Because in English, it's possible to join two independent clauses using only punctuation. And in this case, when we have only punctuation, we use this semicolon. Clear? Semicolon. Third way of correction also is when you insert one of the fun boys after the comma. Here, as we see, okay, or as before, that the comma can never join two independent clauses together. But comma and one of the fun boys, it is correct. So here we just try to figure out the logical relationship between two clauses. Then we put a comma and the appropriate conjunction of coordination, means one of the fun boys. So here we have I don't like the bus. Why? It always comes late. So here we have relation of cause. Of course, so we write I don't like the bus, comma, for it always comes late. For it always comes late. Clear? Another way also of correction is by the use of the conjunctive adverse. Conjunctive adverse. In English, we have a long list, like, as you know, therefore, however, consequently, as a consequence, nonetheless, nevertheless, also, in addition, moreover, and so on. So these also, okay, are used with specific punctuation marks. Clear? So here, for example, we consider the order of the two clauses, and we write the bus always comes late, semicolon, therefore, comma, clear, comma, I don't like it. Clear? I don't like it. Or you can replace also therefore with as a consequence, consequently, as a result, okay, or any conjunctive adverb that expresses result. Clear? Now what matters is that I join my two independent clauses with the appropriate adverb that suits the relationship between the two clauses. Of course, with the correct punctuation before and after these conjunctive adverbs. Good. Now, in all the previous cases, we have kept the same type, we can say, of the sentence, which is here compound. Always, when we join two independent clauses, using one of these, especially semicolon, comma from boys, and conjunctive adverbs, it is here a compound sentence. You can also correct this comma splice by, for example, turning it into a complex sentence, using one of the conjunctions of subordination. Here we have cause, we can use example because, or since, or as. So we can correct comma splice also by using the appropriate conjunction of subordination, and we can say, I don't like the bus because it always comes late. It always comes late. So as you see here, we have here 4 ways for correcting this comma splice error. Clear? So this is the end of our lesson. Thank you so much. Hoping for you always the best. Until we meet you with another faulty or type of faulty sentences. Good luck.